Hey guys, in this video we're going to review DF, Dean Foods Company. Here on the chart we see that, well, let's take a look at Market Watch first. It looks like there was some bad news right before the market opened, and it made the stock drop all the way from what it closed at yesterday. Looks like it closed at 1013. It dropped, well, the low today is 836. So that was obviously a big drop. There was some opportunity to trade the stock on the upside, uh, probably because of that natural bounce back. But anyway, let's take a look at the price levels. So here we can see this first big move. Took 4 5-minute candles. I used a 5-minute chart for my trading. But here we can see that the move was 48 cents. So 4 5-minute candles, 48 cents move. Then we have a range for the pullback of a high of 878 and a low of 854. I actually like to look at the range between the high of the breakout and the low of the pullback. So in this case, 888 the high and 854 the low. That's a range of 34 cents, or roughly about 70% of the move back down compared to the upside, to the breakout. So we take a look. We only have two uh, pullback candles. We see that the low is 854, but the low of the previous candle was uh, 857. So I just like to keep track of those type of stats, like the distance between the lows of the pullbacks. Uh, Not that it is a respected technical level or anything like that. It just gives me some context or some historical data for future trades, or trades in that price range, or trades with that are similar in the chart. But anyway, so we have four candles for the breakout, two for the pullback, and then here at this level, this is the breakout spot, or where we're supposed to buy. So that's 866, $8.66, and we see that it moved all the way up to 880. So that right there is a 14-cent move. Um, there's a There's a couple of, yeah, no, there's, I would say this is just one 5-minute candle pullback. Here we have the breakout. It didn't end up breaking out on this candle, but it did on the next one. That sometimes happens. But this move, we take a look at it here. I need this. It's 879, and the high of this one, of this breakout, was 895. So on the second break, we see that the move up was of 16 cents. Now we just took a look at all the price levels, but let's take a look at volume. So starting here, so obviously there was a big sell-off when the bell rang, and then it slowly started to pick up, right? So we see here on the fourth breakout candle that the volume was of 735,800 shares. And on the pullback, so on this candle, let's see, it was 363,000. So right around half the volume, which I like. I typically like to see uh, on the pullback lower volume, tops 50% of compared to the breakout volume. So we see that we have low volume, this one about half, and on this one we have even less, about 10,000 less or so. And then on the breakout, on the second breakout, we see that there was actually not a lot of volume. So probably the sellers got tired and there were just a few buyers, but that was enough to move the stock all the way up. So that's just a quick review of DF for today. If you like the channel, if you like the video, let me know in the comments. This is my first video, so I'm definitely open to some feedback. Thank you very much.